In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn real money just from clipping videos. No camera, no experience needed. If you have waiting a side income that's actually work, stick around you. This video is for you. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I post earning breakdown and step-by-step tutorial every alternative days. So hit the subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. I also drop extra tips and trick and campaign alert on my Telegram. Link in the description. Go join before get into the step 1. Pick your campaign. First thing you need to do is choose a campaign. Go through the list and pick one that either pay the highest per view or one that actually fits your channel niche, because content that fits you naturally is easier to make and perform better. Reading the brief. Before you touch anything else, read the brief. Every campaign has its own criteria, minimum views requirement, what kind of engagement they are looking for, what's allowed on the screen and what's not. Skipping this step is the first reason your clip get rejected. So don't rush into it. Just read the brief first. Everywhere you see the minimum views, engagement type, on-screen restriction, approved text overlays. Like in this campaign, you can see the basic guidelines. Their budget is 10,000. What you have to do is written here, what not written here, everything you need to, what kind of account they are looking for, what are their post requirement, everything. Like they want us to post on IG and TikTok. They want us to put the logo on the video, everything they put in the video. You need to follow these instructions. Step 3. Download the source content. Once you know the brief, go find your source of videos. This could be from the campaign own folder or your resource music, a clip or a footage from the platform like Instagram, YouTube or Pinterest. Just make sure it's in a good quality, high resolution or nothing blurry or compressed. Like I'm choosing a campaign from the clipping thing, so I got these video from their own folder. I just need to download the video, edit the video and simply post on the Instagram. So our next step is going to edit the video. Step 4. Edit the video. Now bring it into your editor and cut it down to match the brief. Trim it, sync it and add caption if needed. Once it's edited, you will upload video to your connected account. If you haven't linked your account, I have already made full video on how to do that. Check it linked on the screen right now. Step 5. Upload and submit. Last step. Once you upload live, go back to the campaign and submit the link like I did it in this video. Once things verified, you will get the green tick, means you are approved and earning. Like I'm showing you in this video, I'm posting the clip and you can see I posted the clip successfully, and now I'm going to paste the link on the campaign. You just need to open the Clipster and open the same campaign which you are working for and click on the submit button and just submit the link to that particular campaign. That is it you need to do. You can see it here. It's already submitted and it's a green tick, means your video is now getting paid for every. That's the entire process. Pick a campaign, read the brief, source your content, edit, upload and get paid. If this helps, smash the subscribe button and join the Telegram so you never miss a high paying campaign drop. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.